So guys, I think it is time to talk about why the price of Pi Network is going down. We're going to talk about every single thing surrounding the reason why Pi Network is going down right now and what you as a pioneer should do. Should you sell what you have left or should you hold? You are going to find out in this video. Let's go guys. So we're going to see that when Pi listed on exchanges, after a while, it gained popularity a lot to the point where it was holding the 11th position where Chainlink is right now. But as of this moment, as we speak right now, Pi is at the 21st position in the coin market cap ranking, and let's see why this is. Now when you open Pi Network, now we'll check the last 1 month chart. You can see it started at about 1.2, it went as high as 2.92, almost touching $3. That was around 27th of February, and then after then it started coming down. Up until this moment, the price of Pi has been coming down. So Pi currently has the market cap of $6.82 billion. It has gone really down. Now with the volume of $401 and the FDV of $100 billion. One thing you should also notice is that the circulating supply of Pi Network has been reducing. The reason why this is because recently those people that their coin got migrated were reversed because of the latest development to FA, but that's a story for another day. Right now, when you come to look at the market, right now you're going to see that the price of Pi Network on every of these exchanges is sitting at $1.01 currently for every of these exchanges, and the plus 2% debt is for OKX is about 392. So what this means is for Pi Network to gain 2% debt in OKX, it has to gain about $392,000 in sales, right? And this means the exact opposite. So for this to go down, it has to lose about $465,000 in sales. Now the volume, 24 hours volume so far on OKX, BitGet, MEXC respectively is $102 million, $107 million, and $46 million respectively. The confidence here is still saying high. Now let's check out these articles together. Pi Network price crashes 60%. Can it recover or fall below $1? One of the most talked about cryptocurrency has taken a severe hit recently. The token, which is traded at $3, has plummeted below $0.9, marking a staggering 60% drop in value. Many investors are now questioning whether the project is in trouble, especially after Cyber Capital founder Justin Bonds called it a potential scam, which makes two of them right now. While some traders are worried, others are watching for signs of a recovery. Now, there's something you should take note of. Ever since Pi listed, this is like the major dip it has gotten, which is only natural in cryptocurrency. I really see no reason why people are panicking because the price of Pi is going down. What do you expect? It is only natural. It performed very well when it launched, few days after it launched, and then you are complaining that the price is going down. Well, let's just continue reading the article, and then we're going to talk about all of that later in the video. Now, the recent crash in Pi Network's price has sparked debates within the community. Some believe the project lacks transparency, while others think it is simply going through a market correction. I am part of those others that think it's going through a market correction, because with my experience in cryptocurrency, this is only natural. What is going on right now is natural. However, technical indicator shows that downward trend is still strong. One key indication, the Bollinger Band trend has fallen to -40. This is the lowest it has ever been, showing that sellers are still in control. When the Bollinger Band trend stays negative for many days, it often signals that the price will continue to drop unless buyers step in. Another important indicator, the relative strength index dropped to 17.5, meaning the coin was extremely oversold. It has since recovered slightly to 45, but it is still in bearish territory. If the RSI failed to move higher, the selling pressure could continue. This is what we should pay attention to. So far, so good. Pi has slightly recovered to 45, right, in RSI, but it is still indicating the bearish territory, as I've said. If the RSI manages to move higher, the selling pressure could continue. Right now, will Pi coin fall below $1? Pi Network has already dropped below $1 for the first time since February 22. If the decline continues, the next key support level to watch are 0.80, that's the next support, and 0.60 the other support. A further drop in this level could signal even more weakness. So as long as it is still within these points, 0.8, 0.6 to 0.8, we are still safe, guys. So there's no need for you to panic. However, if the buyer regains confidence, Pi Network could rise again, and first resistance level is at 1.25. So what this means basically is that by the time Pi starts rising up from the point it is right now, when it gets to $1.25, there's going to be a resistance. That means people are going to start selling. That point is a point where it will have to still consolidate a little bit before it moves either up or down. It is like a resistance to the upside. That's what it basically means. And if it breaks past this, the price could move towards 1.8. The price could move towards 1.80. For now, Pi Network remains in a fragile position with ongoing concerns and market uncertainty. The next few days will be crucial in determining if Pi can recover or continue its decline. Now, this is where I come in after this article has been read. One thing that I've noticed is that there have been a manipulation in the price of Pi. A lot of strong guys, a lot of big boys in the market are trying to make the project crumble. But now, one of the reasons why I'm so confident in this project is that the community is so strong, and that is enough to keep this project going and help this project survive. One of the reasons why I feel like Pi has not gained that trust they should gain is because they've not been communicating as much as they should. They are so silent, they are not as transparent as they should be. If only the team behind this Pi Network can start communicating more, they are going to gain more trust, which will then lead to so many powerful exchanges listing them, and it's going to contribute positively to the project. So one thing is, I am kind of indifferent about Binance listing Pi Network right now. What I'm so concerned about right now is the survival of the coin, and so far the coin is still struggling. I'm very sure the project is going to recover. Now, another thing you should also have in mind is that we are still not in the bull season yet. If by the time we get to the bull season, Pi Network didn't go to the upside, then definitely that's when you should start losing trust in Pi. But as of now, that all the coins are down, crypto is down, everything is down, it is only natural for Pi Network to be where it is right now. So you should not bother, you should not panic, right? Why Pi Network is falling? The migration issues have further contributed to its price drop. Some pioneers have lost token due to migration grace period lapses, causing frustration among users. Reports indicates one user lost 1,427 tokens due to delay, prompting many to sell their holdings. So this is also another reason why Pi Network has been dropping for the past days now. So Pi core team, I call on you guys to look into your own migration system, KYC and migration system, because it has been so messed up for the past days now. And the fact that you're even getting people's coin reversed back to the Pi app is getting a lot of people worried. So you should work towards fixing that. One thing I would say for sure is that it is not over till it's over. The price of Pi might be down and everything else might be down. But one thing you should know is that it is not out of the ordinary yet. What is going on right now is still looking natural. So all you need right now is faith. Just believe a little bit more in this project. Hold on to the coins. Pi Network can still hit that $5 mark that we're all expecting. So guys, basically, that is the update I brought for you guys in this video. If you like this content you just saw, kindly hit that like button for me and also subscribe to my channel as more content will be coming subsequently. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.